Great to have you back. So tuned into Business Day. Now there's more bad news coming in from software major Infosys. The company's management has now indicated to analysts that there is a risk to the company's organic growth guidance of 5% for FY13 owing to various factors. Let's go across to Chandra Ranganathan in Bangalore, who's got more details. Chandra, big dampener for Infosys.
That's right, more bad news coming from Infosys. Now, based on conversations that Infy CEO and CFO have had with analysts in the last few days, it's becoming increasingly clear that there is a clear threat to Infy missing its 5% organic growth guidance. Now, this is the full year guidance which does not include the impact that their recent acquisition of Lodestone could have. So, Infy management, though they said that they are not revising guidance as of now to these analysts, they have indicated that there is a threat to missing that guidance because of various factors, some of which include customer deferrals, also ramp downs in some large key projects, and also delays in closure of some large projects, and finally the impact of Hurricane Sandy in the US, which is really having an impact on their BFSI and manufacturing business in particular. So clearly this is coming at a time when the street is already pessimistic about Infosys, and it's also coming at a time when some of its rivals are talking about how the next year could probably be a better year for the industry. So we'll have to wait and see if company-specific issues continue to dog Infosys even in FY14 like what it has done in FY13, and also if the management will come out and revise the annual organic growth guidance when they announce their third quarter results. Now remember, the company has suspended giving quarterly guidance, so we'll really have to wait and see if all this will push them to revise their annual guidance.
Okay, thanks very much, Chandra, for giving us those details. So clearly woes for the IT sector are continuing.